Hello, how are you, dear Bengali learners? We have finished 5 class and this is our 6th class. In the previous lesson, we learned the pronunciation of a sound. Like we read the pronunciation and also the example. The pronunciation was a and the example was and baba. So in this part, in this lesson, we will learn a new alphabet. So let us start. This alphabet is called E. 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 Like we can call it Rosho E. Usually we use in Bengali Rosho E. Rosho E. But if you don't like to pronounce Rosho E, then you can just learn the pronunciation. It is E. Short I sound. Short I sound. E. E. So here has given 2 examples. Number 1, you look. Deen. 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 The sound was E. I said it before. Sound is E. Deen. 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 In. The sound is, you look, in. This is the sound, E. In. Like this. Deen. And the second one is E-lish. 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 Elish. Elish. It is a very traditional fish in Bangladesh and we can call it national fish, and it is really very delicious. So also we learned 2 vocabulary today. First one is Deen. Deen mean day, and Elish, it is a very popular fish in Bangladesh. We can call it hilsa fish. If you don't watch this fish, just search on Google and find this fish and just watch. Really, it is so delicious. So our word was E. 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 So you may try it, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you don't watch the previous lesson, you can go to the playlist and watch all of the video. Good luck.